Hi guys, here is another video. So I'll be showing you how I go about my captions. So I've already worked on the transcript. I've edited the transcript here, so I'm going to show you what I do after the editing. So the first thing I'll do is to go to the create captions. I'll click on it and it will bring me this, and straightforward I'll go to the layout and click on single line. Then I will come here, I will change this 42 to 12. So after that, then I will come to the gap between minimum duration in seconds. I will drag that to the minimum value, which is 1.2. Then I will click on this remove punctuation. Then I will create caption, and that's all. And you can see the captions here. So these are just static caption. So what I will do next is to come to this subtitle track. I will highlight everything, then go to properties here, click on properties here, then I will come here, which is open style browser here. I'll click on it. I already did some style on Premiere Pro. I did some style there and I see some. So for now I'm using this style. I click on it, then you will see it here. So once I do that, I go back to this, then I also change the font here to 70. So I'm using 70. So you see the font is a little bit bigger. Then I'll try to bring this up. Yes, so this should be here. So after that, remember this still static subtitle. So what I do now is see how it's moving. Then what I do now is just to like add some motion effects on the subtitle. As you have seen it now,
the money
there's
you'll
no
be spending
motion
to paint like
effects.
Weathermans, you'll be.
So what I will do now is to change this to motion graphics. So what I'll do is to come up here to the graphic and style. I'll click on it, then I'll upgrade the caption to graphics. I'll delete this subtitle here. I'll delete the track. Then we have the graphic track here. I will highlight it. Still, there's nothing here, so you can see. So what I will now do here is to come back here. As I highlighted it, I'll go back to the effect panel. Then I have a ready-made style in After Effects that we done in After Effects. Then I have a ready-made one here. Then what I'll do is to drag it to this graphics track, and you'll see the result now. So the result is now different from what I have on the video before. So this is how I do my own graphic tests. I have the other way of doing this. I will show you later.